Hello, thanks for joining me for another review. Right, today we're going to Amsterdam in the Netherlands, Holland. And the Vollenhoven and Co. And this is their extra stout. I think I'm butchering that up, but we'll give it a go. Amsterdam, Brewery, Poesiat and Kater. Yeah, 7.1% extra stout. So yeah, let's look at the, looks like an eagle. Is it an eagle? Yeah, maybe an osprey, but whatever. 7.1% ABV. It's in a 330ml bottle, standard, you know. It's a black bottle cap, and it's coming in at 57 IBUs. So this beer was from Beer 52's box for February, so I'm reviewing this on the 4th of March of 2018. So there we go. Bit of smoke. There you go. Boom. Boom. And cheers. No, I'm joking. So, beer in the glass. So I've not had anything from this brewery before. I was going to review the whole box from Beer 52's box for February, but there was a few. There was one particular brewery that I really couldn't pronounce, so I'm like, do you know what? I'm not doing it. But there you go. But I've enjoyed them. So anyway, it's a half a finger of just off white head into the light. There is a very kind of mahogany, ruby, kind of plum colour coming through the glass, although on camera here it's looking jet black. But there is a slight rubiness even coming through the bottom of the glass here. But yeah, let's give it a swirl and get an aroma. Get lots of kind of malt, dark fruit. Yeah, more of a kind of a date kind of aroma. Yeah, almost, you know, yeah, dates. Rum, fruit cakey, you know, real dark fruit kind of cake, you know, like your grandma used to make and all that jazz. I'm getting kind of like a brown sugar. Brown sugar. I'm not going to start singing that. Rolling Stones, if you didn't know. Would that be a copyright strike? I wish. Nah, not too bad. It's a slight kind of almost, I say gingerbread, but it's got that. There's a slight kind of doughy element to it as well. Let's give it a try. Stop waffling. Cheers. Oh. Okay, 7.1. First taste, I'm getting that. We'll see how it goes on after this taste. I'm definitely getting rum, chocolate covered, raisins, that you know, that kind of thing. Rum. If you was thinking of a kind of a spirit or liqueur in this beer, it would be rum for me. Yeah, chocolate covered raisins. Plums, figs. Definitely kind of that dark kind of grape finest quality to it. It's very nice though. It's very smooth, super drinkable. You are picking up a little bit the ABV, not gonna lie. I mean, it's only 7.1%, I think it is. Yeah, 7.1. And to be honest with you, it's not too far off that what I'm picking up. It's kind of in line. So, but that aside, it's a really good beer. It's really complex. It's really tasty. It's a really good beer. There's a slight sweetness in there, not too over. And it's actually a beer out of the pack, apart from the ones I can't pronounce, and I'm probably butchering this one up, that I really wanted to try. I think they've actually got a bar. Bear with me and I'll have a little look. Because I've got this like ferment magazine, but they have actually got a there's a little article about this brewery. I should have got all this sorted out really, but if I can't find it within a certain amount of time, then I'll just not bother, or I'll take a photograph of it. I don't know why I even said that, but anyway, let's try and find a little bit. I don't think I'm going to find it in time. I'm not going to do it. No, I should have done all that shit before. So let's crack on with the beer, give it a final taste and a rating. It's a really well made beer. This body wise, throat. Body wise, it's kind of I'd say it's the upper end of medium. It's not I mean, it's smooth, but it's not kind of, it's not a flat kind of medium body. It's on the upper scale for me, for my palate anyway. We're all different, so you might drink it and think, wow, completely different. Don't take my word for anything. Or that. Apologies, of course. It's full of flavour, quite a deep flavour. A beer I'd go back to. I'd love to try this on tap. I think it's a really good beer. Not available in the UK generally though. If this was available in the UK, yeah, I'd buy a few bottles. I'd definitely buy this again, for sure. If I saw it out and about, oh wow, look, it's Vollenhoven and Co, and it's the extra stout. I'd definitely buy it again. If I saw that, I'd be like, wow, buy a couple of bottles, share it out, you know. But it is a little bit boozy for a 7.1. It is quite boozy. Personally, what I think for the ABV, it is a little bit not hot, but you know what I mean. It's borderline. It's getting there. You know, it's a bigger beer. There's a lot of beers now where you're like, wow, really? Even in this style, it's like, I had a 11% beer earlier and not a chance. This is more boozy than that. So that's my own little kind of like on this beer, but yeah, it's still a very good beer. Excuse me. God, that's a lot of peps. I'm sorry. I'd buy it again. I've said about 50 times, so I'll probably buy 50 bottles. Anyway, I'm waffling. Rating wise, it's worthy of an 8 out of 10. So it's a 4 caps out of 5 for Untapped. Untapped now. Wow, okay. So it's had a total of 4,481 to Untapped. It's had 805 in the last 30 days. So the actual ratings count is bang on 3,700. And get this, It's coming in at 3.58. Yeah, I'm giving it a little bit more than that, quite a bit more. So that's ringing in just over a 7 out of 10. I'm giving this an 8 for me. So if you can get this beer, this is Vollenhoven and Co. This is their extra stout. These guys are out of, I can't remember, Amsterdam. Yeah, in the Netherlands, because I'm so professional remembering things. Yeah, check them out. If you can get hold of their beers, really do check them out. This is a good beer. That's it. Thanks for watching then, you poor people, and I'll see you on the next review. Cheers.